Welcome to Diesel Engine Rebuilders. My name is John Archer. I just wanted to talk about cylinder heads real quick. This one is a 12-liter Detroit. And we haven't really done a whole bunch of this yet. What we did do to this cylinder head was actually put it into the hot tank and removed all the paint and actually all the old oil and everything else off of it. We're getting ready to pull the seats out of it right now. And there's a reason for that. I just want everyone to know. So the 12.7s and the 14-liter cylinder heads, underneath the seat they will crack, and if you don't catch that crack underneath that seat, a lot of guys will say, "Hey man, I got coolant, going out the exhaust." It's probably underneath the seat, or the head's cracked in between the injector cup and the valves. But really that doesn't happen too often. But the 14 liters, you got to be careful with those because a lot of them you'll get cracks underneath. So we always rebuild. We put in new valve guide seats and seals into these things, and we check recession, put the valves right back what they're supposed to be. With that being said, I want to tell you a quick story. I had a customer that I do a lot of these heads for, and he came up to me and he said he had a problem. And so when he was putting the rockers on top and trying to get it all adjusted in, he was having problems. And it's because that customer told me he wanted to reuse his exhaust valves. So what I found out was valve stem height was an issue. And so by the time you clean up the valve and lap it in and everything else, it seals good. You're getting 35 pounds of vacuum after you put the valves in and lap them. But the stem height is too tall. So there's a couple ways to solve that problem. One is grind the stem top, or two, go back to what I like to do and use all new. So new valves, new guides, new seats and seals. But if you do want to use your old valves on the exhaust side, you can. I just need to know that, and then we can grind the tops to make it easy for you to adjust. And again, that's on the 12-liter the Detroits and 14-liter Detroit cylinder heads. We do mag all of them and clean them all up and get them back to you, and they should be back to factory spec. If you have any questions, we can help you out with. We are a full operating machine shop and an engine build shop. So if we can do anything for you, let us know. 616-558-3063 or dieselenginerebuildersllc.com.